Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to earn money from Teepublic in 2024. So whether you are a designer or creative looking to sell your artwork, Teepublic is a great platform to monetize your talent. So in this video or tutorial, I'll share tips on how to upload designs, optimize your storefront, and basically how to earn your money from Teepublic. So make sure to get into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this how you want. Once you open it, go to this URL. And here is an example. All you need to do, just go and type teepublic.com and hit the enter button. .com and hit the enter button. Okay. So I did not even type it correctly. So teepublic.com. So this should take you into the home screen or main screen. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page. So here you can go to the top right corner, click on create an account to create an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, you can always, or if you have an account, you can always go and click on login. So other than that, you'll be logged in. You can simply just go and click on your account and simply click on view my store. So the normal way to earn money is simply by selling your stuff, selling, as we said, your designs, your creative looking stuff, and etc. So what you'll need to do, basically go to your account, click on upload art, and start uploading as many art as you can. It's very important, and it's the most effective way to earn money through your Teepublic. Of course, if you go here to my earnings, you'll be able to see your next payment earnings, which you will receive on the 15th of every month. As you can see, keep that in mind. If you did not receive it on the 15th, of course, you'll probably receive it on the 16th because of the time zones and etc. And as you can see, this important note is very important because it may take up to 2 days or 48 hours for your earnings to update on your account. So maybe you sold something and it will not show here until 24 hours or 48 hours passed. So after you made the sales, example, on the payday, which is the 15th of each month. So basically here, you will see the estimated earnings of each design that you sold. So you'll see the next payments that you'll receive this month, like selling, how much you sold this month, and total earned on lifetime, and also how many items you sold on your store. So is this the only way that you will get paid or you will earn money from Teepublic? So of course, this is the most important way because it's the option that will generate you the most money. You have one other option. I'll just get through it now and come back basically to how to sell and make your store better, which is this make $1,000. What is that basically? As you can see, make $1,000. So if you refer a friend who becomes a seller on Teepublic, you will get $1 for each or every product they sell up to $1,000. And your friend gets their full earnings. So share your custom link with friends to get paid. So what does that mean? All you need to do, just go and copy that code and share it with, as example, with a friend that you know he's a very good designer or artist that, I don't know, he's just very good. So when he's going to create some arts or designs on t-shirts, mugs, caps, whatever it is, it's going to sell crazy. You are sure of that because this guy's so good. If you know a guy like that exists and he doesn't know Teepublic yet, all you need to do, copy this code and get him into that. And congratulations, free $1,000. Of course, that does not mean you will get like $1,000 once he becomes a seller and sold his first item. No, you'll get $1, as we said, on each product he sold. So if he sold 1,000 products, you will get your $1,000. And it's the maximum, it's the cap. You cannot get through it. Keep that in mind. And of course, it will not lower his income. So he don't have, or your friend don't have to worry about anything. So he will get his full money and you gets your dollar for each product he sell. Isn't that amazing? Right? So yeah, this is basically the two ways. You have this 1,000 option or $1,000 option, which is you can get paid for each item he sold up to 1,000 item. And you have this my sales basically, which is the main important stuff, as we said before, which is your selling. So you'll have to go to your store, first of all, of course, make sure to make your store visually appealing to people. So it should have some good, like, I don't know, banner here, good logo, not like this. I choose some random photos I have. Of course, you can click here to edit your photo name. Make sure to have a good name, like good URL slug, a brief bio about your store, location if you have one, you don't have one, not necessary, and display preferences. You can hide the store name if you want to. You can hide the location, hide the avatar. You can send, as an example, sales notification emails if you want to. You can add some social links, which can be helpful a lot. So make sure to add your custom links, example, maybe your website, or links for DeviantArt, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Tumblr, Twitch, Twitter, or X, as it's called right now, and even YouTube. So once you change everything, just go and click on save the changes, because as we said, those are very important to make your store like more trusted, as example, by people if they go see your social media, as example, etc. And yeah, more even good, especially if you have some good designs here in the banner and logo. Other than that, make sure to upload as many as possible of your art, but do not create just some random art. Make sure to create some trending arts. Of course, to do that exactly, I guess there are some tools to do so. I don't know if there's like, let me just go and check. So Google, I guess, trend, is that a thing? If I'm not mistaken, yeah, Google Trends. So this thing is actually very, very important and very, very good to check the trend of, an example, a specific country. So if you're selling, example, good in the United States, just go and select that, and you can simply see the trend of right now, maybe this day, maybe this month, maybe this year. As an example, so this is normally the trend of the past 24 hours. Of course, you can change the settings into the past month and etc. So that will help you a lot. Create an example, some specific trends, art designs, which will help you sell a lot. Keep that in mind. This is very important. And make sure to also optimize for SEO ranking, because it's very, very important as well. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.